In this video, you will learn how to set up Xfinity Remote. First, make sure your TV and Xfinity TV box are both turned on. Then put batteries into the Xfinity Remote and point it directly at the TV box so it has a clear line of sight. Next, press and hold the setup button on the remote until the light at the top changes color, which means it's ready to pair. On newer Xfinity voice remotes, such as XR15, XR16, there's no setup button, so instead, you press and hold the Xfinity button and the mute button at the same time for about 5 seconds until the light at the top of the remote changes color, which puts the remote into pairing mode. After that, follow the code shown on your TV screen or enter the TV brand code if prompted so the remote knows what TV you're using. Then test the remote by pressing volume up or power to confirm it controls the TV. If it doesn't work, repeat the pairing steps and try the next code. And once the TV responds, finish the on-screen prompts so the remote is fully paired for power, volume, channel changes, and menu navigation. That's all. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.